Okay, this is linear model. Homework section 2.2. Homework section 2.2. Linear model. Work 2.2. All right, so number 6. A lot of people were asking questions about number 6. Find the linear function that is the best fit for the data. So I'm going to put x, the domain in L1, and range in L2. Okay, so I'll go to my calculator. And I am going to turn my calculator on. Go to Start, Edit, and this is L1. I want to put everything in X in L1. So the first number is 1, enter. Second number is 3, enter. The next one is 5, enter. Next one is 7, enter. Next one is 9, enter. Then arrow to L2, 7, enter. 12, enter. 17, enter. 22, enter. 27, enter. All right, so the data, the domain is in L1, the range is in L2. I eyeball my L1 and L2. I think I entered the data in order, and they have to be on the same line horizontally. Now the next thing I want to do is do a scatter plot. I go to start plot, second start plot, and I want to select plot 1, and I notice that plot 1 is off, so I want to turn it on. Turn plot 1 on, and I'm doing a scatter plot. Scatter plot is type 1. So I'll arrow to L1. That's where my domain is. L2, that is the range. Okay, time for me to do a scatter plot. So I'll do a scatter plot. Zoom. Each time I try to zoom 9 and I see this argument, I'll have to second wait. So then I'll zoom 9 from the main screen. Zoom 9. Okay, now this is my scatter plot. Even without putting a line on this, I can actually see that a straight line will be the best model, the line of best fit. Okay, so now I'll go to STAT again, arrow to calc, and I want to put a linear regression, a straight line on this scatter plot, where A is going to be the slope and B will be the y-intercept. So I'll select number 4 here, and I'll arrow down. My calculator is asking me, do you want to store the equation in y1? Yes, I want the equation in y1. So vars y-vars function y1. So now I told my calculator to put the equation in y1. Before that, I'll check my y1, see if there's any equation there. Okay, then I can do that again. So I'll go back and do that again. First of all, zoom 9, and then I'll see the scatter plot. Then go back to start, arrow to calc, select number 4, and then L1 is the domain, L2 is the range. Then I will go back and tell my calculator to put the equation in y1. So vars y-vars function y1, and I arrow down, calculate, it tells me that the slope is 2.5 and that the y-intercept is 4.5. So I have an equation, and that equation is, let me get draw. Then the equation that they're asking me for is y. All right, I get another one. So I have y equals 2.5 x plus 4.5. Therefore, the line of best fit for that data is 2.5 x plus 4.5, where 2.5 is the slope and y-intercept is 4.5. Okay, I'm going to select the mouse again, and then let me try and grab this and see actually. All right, so the line of best fit matches this, and then if I trace an arrow down, I can also see this equation here. So that is the equation. The line of best fit is 2.5 x plus 4.5. All right, so let's go to another number that is, let's go to another number. It says number 8. Is it number 8? Okay. Construct a scatter plot for, that's number 7. Okay, let's go look at number 9. Create a linear model again. The same thing with number 6. So I am going to clear this. I'm just going to clear our drawings, and then I want to go to number 8, make it bigger so that I can see it. Okay, so number 8, say actually number 9. So let me pull that number 9 up. Okay, same question with number, you can do, I'm just going to do number 9, but number 9, 6, 9, and 10 are the same. So I'm going to clear my calculator, and also I'll clear Y1. Okay, then I'll go to Start, Edit, and then I will clear my L1, arrow up, clear, Enter. So I am clearing number 6 so that I can do number 9. Clear, Enter. All right. And then I have 4, Enter, 6, Enter, 8, Enter, 10, Enter, 12, Enter, 14. Enter. All right, so this is the domain in number 9. The same thing, I'm going to do the same thing for the range will be in L2. So the first number in the range is 6, 16, 20, 28, 36, and 45. All right, so I can see that the line, they are on the same horizontal line. I don't think that I made a mistake in putting them in. The numbers look good for me because I have to eyeball it and see that the numbers look good. So the next thing I want to do is make a scatter plot of this number 9. All right, so I'm going to go to second start plot again, and I'll select plot 1. Plots are on already. I'll make a scatter plot of that number 9. So remember, when you try to make a scatter plot, if you zoom 9, and if there's no argument, you continue. So this scatter plot is going to be a line of best fit, but it's not exactly on the line. But I'm still told to do a linear plot. I have to do what I'm told to do, a linear plot. So on this scatter plot, I will push start and calc. Again, I'm told to draw a linear model, so I will select number 4. I want you to see that number 4 and number 8 look alike. So linear model is number 4, linear model is number 8. But I like to choose number 4 because it looks like the slope-intercept form of equation of a line. So I'll select number 4. And it's asking me, is your domain in L1? Yes. Is my range in L2? Yes. Do you have frequency? I don't. Do you want to store your equation somewhere? I like to store it in Y1, so I do vars, Y-vars, function Y1, and then I'll calculate. And this equation says that I'm going to leave this answer to, let me see how many decimal places. It says 3 decimal places. Okay, so I want to write the equation to 3 decimal places. Therefore, the equation of this line here, to annotate again, draw. All right, so the equation of the line in number 9 is y equals to 3 decimal places. So I have 3.757 x minus 8 point. You see, this is 648 because I'm supposed to do it to 3 decimal places. So 648. All right, so the equation here is to 3 decimal places. The same way you will do number 10. So I'm going to let you do number 10 on your own. Same way you do number 10. So that is a linear regression analysis or linear model, using a linear model to find the exact equation of a line. You can use your calculator to do that. All right. So I'm going to I will actually stop recording.